Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review about a lipstick that have come across, and I'm in just love with this lipstick because whenever I step outside I just wear this lipstick, and this is a very beautiful lipstick because I have a bag full of lipsticks with me, and I'm not using any of those lipstick right now because I'm so obsessed with this lipstick. This is none other than Lip Bib by Fay Beauty, and I can't tell you how it feels so comfortable onto my lips. The lipstick that I'm searching for a very long time, the one which looks good in one swipe, has a good pigmentation onto your lips and doesn't feel uncomfortable as well. It is just amazing. So this lipsticks last for up to 3 to 4 hours, I guess. And if you're not eating anything, you can drink, but if you can eat, if you are eating any oily food, then it comes off a little bit. But if you are drinking, then it doesn't come off that much. Not that much. It doesn't come off. Yeah. Drinking doesn't come off, but eating oily food, yeah, it comes off. Then you have to reapply this lipstick, and let's see if it smudges or it's transfer proof. Let's see it onto my hand. So it doesn't transfer at all. For smudging, it transfers a little bit. So if you smudge it a bit, it just smudge a little bit because it has a mousse texture. That's why it smudges. But if you talk about the transfer thing, it doesn't transfer at all. And yeah, it's good. Like it's so comfortable. Like for 3 4 hours you just don't do anything, and it feels so comfortable onto your lips. Because the thing is, if you talk about the other lipstick who doesn't come off if you eat oily food, they feel so sticky onto my lips, and I don't like sticky lipstick because it feels so uncomfortable. But this feels so comfortable onto my lips that I can't tell you. Yeah, I'm just in love with this lipstick. Anyway, so I just tell you about the shade. This is in the shade Stroke, and the Stroke shade is for cool undertone people. So if you don't know what is a cool undertone, so I will just let you know. So for that you have to check your veins. So if your veins appear green in color, you have a warm undertone. If they appear purple in color, then you have neutral undertone. And if they appear blue in color, then you have cool undertone. Okay, and if it appears in purple and blue, then you have cool or neutral undertone. That it will definitely work onto your lips. Though it also looks good onto my lips. I don't look that bad in this lip shade. It looks good onto my lips, but for my undertone, because I have warm undertone, I think the shade is in Thirsty, I guess. Right, the Thirsty shade, that is for a warm undertone. It will look much good onto my lips because um, though it doesn't look that bad, but on camera, but if you see it in real, it looks a bit off with my skin tone, or looks a bit dark in color on my skin tone. So that's the only bit. But I think I have seen a lot of reviews onto Instagram and YouTube about this shade. They are just obsessed with this shade, and I think this shade works on every skin tone. So yeah, you can go for it. It just is an amazing lip shade. And yeah, that's all for this video. uh, you can just go for this lipstick without even thinking a second thought, guys. uh, trust me, without thinking of any second thought, just need to go for this lipstick. Just try it and let me know how you feel. So if you like this channel, please give a thumbs up to my channel, and if you want such kind of content, I will just post such kind of content more onto my channel. For that you have to subscribe it and press the notification bell, so whenever I post any video you will get an alert for it. So yeah, please do comment onto my channel if you like it, and what are your views about this lipstick. So do let me know, it will help me out. So that's all for my this video. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.